Ask any analyst. Earnings season can be a pretty hectic time. But why is it so hectic? Well, let's look at what happens during a typical earnings season morning. A company puts out an earnings release. You as the analyst go through the commentary that the company had and their quantitative results for the period that just ended, and you're going to look through any changes in the company's forward outlook to see what that would imply about how things are going at the company and maybe give you a hint as to where the stock is headed. You're going to listen to the earnings call and follow along in a live transcript for any incremental nuggets of information that you think are important to flag to your portfolio manager. That sounds busy, but is it really that hectic? Well, consider this. On a given earnings morning, you might have 5 companies that are reporting before the market opens. Now things start to get a little bit busier and a little bit more hectic because you're doing the same exact work stack, but for 5 different companies. Now, consider this. Just because it's earnings season doesn't mean that the news stops. So overnight, you could have news come out about 2 other companies in your portfolio, and it doesn't matter if they had earnings yesterday or they're going to have earnings 3 weeks from now. They're now moving as well. So you've got your news companies, you've got the 5 companies that report before the open, but here's something else to consider. Those companies that report also have industry peers, and so the earnings releases of 5 companies could actually signal stock movements for 5 to 15 different companies. Starting to sound a little bit hectic yet? At least you'll be able to catch your breath after the market closes, right? Well, not so fast. You might also have a handful of companies reporting earnings after the close, and you're also going to need to spend some time writing earnings previews for companies that have earnings for 3 weeks from today. But at least after all of that, you'll be able to catch your breath and reset, right? Oh, did I mention today's only Tuesday? If you're interested in learning about how real investment analysts navigate hectic situations like earnings season and develop a process, visit our page for more.